ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo ni o ṣe wà lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ ṣe wà Olajumoke ń kí yín o ṣe wà. Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, thanks for watching again. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can DIY your whitening wash at home using affordable drugstore products. Okay, these products are products you can see in your local markets or any supermarket around you. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can activate your liquid body wash. If you are the kind of person that you are looking for 2 shades lighter than your skin shade right now, then this video is for you. Stay glued, watch this video from start to finish so that you won't miss any step. Okay, so without further say or do, let's get right into it. So this is the body wash I'm going to be using. I like for the fact that this body wash is formulated with natural products like papaya and carrot. Okay, so this will be the whitening agent color. I don't know if you are seeing it. And also I'll be using better soap. Okay, so let's get right into it. It is not important for you to use the type of whitening oil that I used if you don't feel like it, but make sure you add a whitening serum, anyone you can lay your hands on, to this body wash in order to activate it, so that it will give you this bright looking skin you're looking for. Okay, so after mixing it very well, make sure you use this liquid wash 2 times in a day, morning and night. Okay, that is the process of how you can DIY your whitening body wash. Okay, so and if you want this Osha Prapra white, you know what I mean by Osha Prapra, you can add 1 skin free milk to it and dilute it very well, and also add 50 grams of Snow White powder. Dolapo, say hi to my people.
Hi.
So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, kindly thumbs up this video and also click on the subscribe button below. It is very important, and also drop a comment. I want to hear from you guys and I will respond to you. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.